Your question is, the finance bill of Indian government is presented in, your options are A, upper house, B, legislative assembly, C, legislative council, or D, lower house. Right answer is D, lower house. Your question is, what is meaning of bulletin in parliamentary procedure? Your options are A, to stop the debate on the bill, B, to continue the debate on the bill, C, boycott of house by members, D, to adjourn the house, or E, to adjourn the house for the day. Right answer is A, to stop the debate on the bill. Your question is, which of the following proposals is related to the union budget? Your options are A, censure motion, B, calling attention, C, cut motion, or D, adjournment motion. Right answer is C, cut motion. Your question is, the stages in the normal financial legislation include 1. Presentation of the budget, 2. Discussion on the budget, 3. Passing of appropriation bill, 4. Vote on account, 5. Passing of the finance bill. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. Codes, your options are A, 1, 2 and 3, B, 1, 3 and 4, C, 1, 2, 3 and 4, or D, 1, 2, 3 and 5. Right answer is D, 1, 2, 3 and 5. Presentation of the budget, discussion on the budget, passing of appropriation bill, and passing of the finance bill. Your question is, according to the law enacted by Parliament in December 1989, the legal age for a citizen to become major is. Your options are A, 23 years, B, 22 years, C, 20 years, or D, 18 years. Right answer is D, 18 years. Your question is, the Consultative Committee of Members of Parliament for Railway Zones is constituted by which of the following? Your options are A, President of India, B, Ministry of Railways, C, Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, or D, Ministry of Transport. Right answer is C, Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. Your question is, examine the following statements and choose the correct answer from the given option. 1. Right to property is not a fundamental right now. 2. Rajya Sabha can stop a financial bill. 3. In the preamble of Indian Constitution, secular and democratic words were added by 42nd Amendment of the Indian Constitution. 4. Any dispute of the Parliament can be resolved by the system of Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Codes, your options are A, 1 and 2, B, 1 and 3, C, 1 and 4, or D, 2 and 3. Right answer is A, 1 and 2. Right to property is not a fundamental right now, and Rajya Sabha can stop a financial bill. Your question is, with reference to Indian polity, which one of the following statements is correct? Your options are A, Planning Commission is accountable to Parliament, B, President can make ordinance only when either of the two houses of Parliament is not in session, 3, the minimum age prescribed for appointment as a judge of the Supreme Court is 40 years, or D, National Development Council is constituted of Union Finance Minister and the Chief Ministers of all the states. Right answer is B, President can make ordinance only when either of the two houses of Parliament is not in session. Your question is, which is largest committee of the Indian Parliament? Your options are A, the Public Accounts Committee, B, the Estimates Committee, C, the Committee on Public Undertakings, or D, the Committee on Petitions. Right answer is B, the Estimates Committee. Your question is, which of the following are financial committees of Indian Parliament? A, Estimates Committee, B, Public Accounts Committee, C, Committee on Public Undertakings, D, Joint Committee on Salaries and Allowance for Members of Parliament. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Codes, your options are A, AC and D, B, AB and D, C, AB and C, or D, B, C and D. Right answer is C, A, B and C, Estimates Committee, Public Accounts Committee, and Committee on Public Undertakings.